Riverside Marine and Cycle, Miles City, Montana. We've got a 2023 Polaris Ranger 1000 Premium with electric power steering. Has a full hard cab, heater, wiper. I'm going to say 40-50% tread on the front tires, glass windshield, crank down window doors. Around 30-40% tread on the rear tires. Has a tilt assist dump box. This machine's got a basic street legal kit, horn, rear view mirror, lighted license plate bracket, 646 hours, 7,163 miles. Gonna take another video of this getting started up, drove around. If you've got any questions, you can always call us 406-232-3300.